Hello everyone, for today's video, I will be sharing with you how to efficiently use compost. Normally, we apply compost by dressing or just topping it up to the soil and then watering it so the nutrients will get distributed to the roots. Well, that's not an issue. The problem is having a small amount of fertilizer and needing to dress a lot of plants. So in this video, I will be sharing with you a demonstration on how to make compost tea. Before that, I will make a quick rundown. The concept of this application is similar to making a tea. We put the organic matter in a bag and then ferment it so the juice will get diluted to the water. By doing this, we are saving a huge amount of money in production, plus the organic matter bag is reusable. The materials we will need for this concoction is compost, vermicompost, farm animal manure or bokashi. We need water. You need to dechlorinate tap water if you are using it. The first step is add the fertilizer to the bag. You need to dip it into water and compress to extract the liquid. The ratio is not that strict. As long as you have compost and water, you are good to go. You may add a heavy object like a brick or a rock so the bag will sink and continuously extract the nutrients. Mix it every 2 to 4 hours. We need to ferment it for a minimum of 2 days. Do not leave it for a week because it will smell bad. You may water the compost tea directly to the soil or drench it to the leaves. Don't throw away the bag because you can still use it for future batches. Keep in mind that this blend will expire in a week because the beneficial microbes here need air and will not survive in water. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this informative, consider sharing this to your friends and hitting the like button. If you have comments, suggestions, or thoughts, leave it in the comment section. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing. We have a Facebook page about gardening, link in the description. This is At Gashel, signing out.